Today I'm showing you how to crochet a pillow cover that needs absolutely no zipper or no buttons. It's beginner friendly, made to measure, and perfect for using up scrap yarn. You can make this with basically any yarn and any pillow size. The entire pillow cover is basically a long rectangle. Once folded, those overlapping sections create a closure that keeps the pillow inside without needing hardware. You will need to measure your pillow, note its width and length. The smaller the hook size you use, the denser and heavier the pillowcase will be, so find whatever works best for you. I am using yarn or the jeans, which is weight 2, with a 3.5mm crochet hook. The starting chain should be as long as the width of your pillow. After that, just half double crochet across. That's it. And if the row is too long, don't worry about it. Just don't finish the last few half double crochet stitches so that it matches your pillow quite snugly, because odds are your pillowcase is going to stretch quite a bit as you work on it. For the next row, chain 1 and half double crochet across once again, and continue working those rows until the rectangle is long enough to wrap around the pillow with overlap in the back. I recommend doing at least 2.3 lengths of your pillow. For example, if your pillow is 60 centimeters long, your panel should be at least 138 centimeters long. That being said, you can go a little bit shorter or a little bit longer. It's going to be alright because this pattern and closure are super forgiving. After that, fold the panel like an envelope and sew or slip stitch across both sides. Make sure you're stitching through all 3 layers in the overlap portion. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. Consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.